Hey y'all, welcome to the vlog. Okay, welcome to the vlog. So we are making chicken tacos and
Okay,
beef
yeah, so we
tacos
are
tonight.
having some
We have
tacos, even though it's not Taco Tuesday, but
some
we're gonna have some
uh,
chicken
double
and beef.
cheese
Whatever.
shells that we are using
You to the
tonight. We
box.
are also using the
We're having
old El
nacho
Paso
Dorito
flour tortillas.
shells,
We are also
and
going
these
to
shells right here,
use the Taco Bell seasoning, which
tortillas.
is
Old, what's
original
that? Old El
and
Paso.
um, original
And y'all know I'm
and
using my
mild. That's
Taco
what it
Bell
is,
seasoning.
mild. So,
We're doing
y'all, we
mild
love this Taco Bell
and
seasoning. We also going to,
original.
yeah. So there's the original one. So we're also gonna get some uh, sour cream. That's my neighbor. My neighbor. That's my roommate in the side. So don't pay no mind. We all up in the kitchen doing our thing. Okay. We also making some Kobe Jack cheese. We're also using Kobe Jack cheese, and there's the tacos. All right, y'all. So good morning, good morning, good morning. Look at the snow, you all. We are experiencing all this beautiful snow. Look at the dogs out there. They want to go play in the snow. You see the snow coming down? It is coming down, okay? We also, shoot, I think they was calling for a storm. What's it called? Storm? Snowstorm. I think that was supposed to take place probably the next day or whatever, but right now we are looking at all this pretty snow. I'm trying to catch some in my hand. The dog's out there playing. Yeah, I want to go out there and play with them, but I don't have the gear to go out in the snow. So your girl's just like, nope, we just gonna let y'all watch it from the camera, okay? If I do, y'all will be seeing some snow videos if we do. But for the most part, the dog's gonna go ahead and take the show of being in the snow, okay? What else we got going on here? I was trying to see, just y'all just see how much snow come down. There I go, trying to catch that snow. Y'all see how much snow come down? Y'all, I am still in belief that we are even out here in North Dakota's experiencing this snow. Y'all know what we was going through and how we, so now they want to come in, how we, got past all that. Giving God all the glory, all the praise. So now the dogs, they're running in and out. So there's one came in. There's the other one. She out there. She wants to stay out there a little longer. They both are girls. She wants to stay out there a little bit longer. She like, Anyway, so there's my coffee. Y'all know your girl gotta have her coffee. I made some breakfast. I made some pancakes, some sausage. Did I do eggs? I don't think I did eggs. I think I did pancakes and sausage. Your girl looking crazy. It's early in the morning. Um, so I am just enjoying my breakfast. Didn't have work due to all the snow. So some stores do stay open. Some stores close. It just, I guess, depends on if the flow, yes, if the flow is, if they have the flow, the stores will stay open. If not, they will close due to the weather. So your girl was just, okay, I'm helping you. Calm down. I'm picking the house. Okay, you can't. You have no money. You have no money for houses. See, y'all, mom life. You have to go collect more coins. But no one is not. It says for. Okay, hold on a second. Go over there and see. It says get plots. See if you can get it. Y'all, she want to play these Roblox, which mom is trying to do her video. Anyways, so I'm gonna let y'all go ahead and continue watching me eat my breakfast. I don't think this video is that much long. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And we love y'all. We miss y'all. Thank y'all so much for y'all support. And always feel free to donate if you can, um, if you're willing. We appreciate it. I do have my Cash App on here. I'm trying to get me a wish list going. So once I figure that out, I'm gonna keep on saying that in every video because I don't know why. I did all the steps and it's still not letting me share what we've picked for you. You all if y'all want to purchase for us. Um, so just continue to watch this video and we'll catch y'all in the next one. I'm so hungry. Wish I could keep y'all right here, but I can't hold y'all and eat. I'll come back.